Disclaimer. We all know that the Mackinac Bridge is a thing of beauty. It's highly recommended to not fly your plane underneath the Mackinac Bridge. However, if you're going to, make sure you do it clean like this stunt devil did in late June and you'll be considered a man amongst the people. YOLO! I kid you not, a pilot really did fly their plane underneath the bridge back in late June of 2020. It sparked headlines throughout the whole state of Michigan in the week of August 16th, which was well after the fact too. Anyway, Cheboygan County is home to 25,000 residents. There's not much here other than Mackinaw City and the city of Cheboygan, which are both tourist traps along Lake Huron. There are several larger inland lakes as well that serve as popular weekend summer getaways for people that live further south. The economy here is largely dependent on the tourism industry, as Mackinaw City is one of Michigan's more popular tourist towns. With that said, we're going to drive through miles of pine forests before we reach the Mackinac Bridge, and there's not too much else to say, so I'll chime back in once we reach the bridge.
You're the sunrise, you're the ocean breeze, you're my paradise, I can fly to. You're the antidote, my elixir, I can never die. You keep me alive. You keep me alive.
You're feeling lost, like you've given all you've got and you just can't pull through. Don't look down in despair, as if the sky you'll find me there, shining down on you. Ooh, I'll be the first star in the night and the last one to leave. Oh, and in the dark I'll be the only light that you'll need. Oh, I see the sky, I'll be your star. feeling lost, like you've given all you've got and you just can't pull through. Don't look down in despair. I said the sky, you'll find me there, shining down on you. Ooh, I'll be the first star in the night and the last one to leave. Oh, and in the dark I'll be the only light that you'll need. I said the sky, I'll be a star in the night. Oh, I said the sky, I'll be a star in the night. Oh,
Oh yes, and here we are, the Mackinac Bridge. The bridge was built over the strait that connects Lake Michigan and Lake Huron in 1957. It's the longest suspension bridge between anchorages in the Western Hemisphere at 5 miles long. Before the bridge was built, the only way to cross was by ferry. The bridge has become one of Michigan's most well-known landmarks in a region that attracts many tourists every summer. Nearby Mackinac Island is famous for its fudge, and there are no motorized vehicles allowed on the island, only bicycles. Another thing of note is that the Mackinac Bridge and Mackinac Island are both spelled with a C at the end, while Mackinaw City is spelled with a W. The most common explanation for this is that back in the day, the changes were made to the spelling in attempts to avoid confusion with the post office. What it really did was create confusion amongst many people, as I'm sure there are many people that visit here that have a hard time distinguishing which places and things that are named Mackinac are spelled with a C or a W at the end. In case you're curious and you missed the sign, the toll for crossing the bridge is $2 per axle, so that's $4 per automobile, $6 for an automobile with a single axle trailer, and $8 for an automobile with a double axle trailer. If you're driving a bus, motorhome, or tractor trailer, the cost is $5 per axle. You can pay with cash or with card. With that said, I do end the video here. If you enjoy my videos, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, as doing all of those things helps these videos out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video of an area near you. Also, make sure to check out my channel playlists, as I have many playlists set up that organize my videos by region, state, so on and so on. So if you're interested in this video, you might enjoy my Michigan playlist. We'll see you next time. Peace.